When I first started experimenting with AI-driven apps, I ran into a frustrating wall, storing and retrieving vector data. I had models generating embeddings, but every time I needed to query them efficiently, the database would either lag, get messy, or force me to hack together multiple tools just to make it work. It felt like building a skyscraper on top of sand, unstable and unreliable. That's when I discovered Chroma DB, and suddenly the foundation felt solid. Chroma DB is a vector database designed to handle the heavy lifting that comes with modern AI applications. Instead of treating AI data like a side project, it makes embeddings and vector search a first-class citizen. It's built to handle scale, speed, and precision so you can focus on building smarter apps rather than wrestling with infrastructure. Think of it as the memory layer for your AI, where knowledge is stored, updated, and instantly retrievable. Imagine you're building a recommendation engine for an e-commerce store. You're generating embeddings from product descriptions and user behavior, but without a proper vector database, your system struggles to serve real-time recommendations. With Chroma DB, you can store those embeddings efficiently, query them in milliseconds, and give your users hyper-personalized results that feel seamless. That's the type of real-world impact a specialized vector database brings. The strengths of Chroma DB are clear: its deep integration with AI workflows, ability to handle massive volumes of vector data without slowing down, and its support from Oracle's ecosystem that ensures enterprise-grade reliability. It's especially appealing for teams working on generative AI, recommendation engines, or semantic search projects where performance is non-negotiable. The downside? It's overkill if you're working on small-scale projects or just testing ideas, and it's geared toward enterprise-level deployments rather than hobby projects. At its best, Chroma DB becomes the backbone of your AI stack. It allows you to scale confidently, knowing your system can keep up with both your data and your users' expectations. It removes the guesswork and gives you a solid infrastructure layer that supports innovation rather than slowing it down. So if you're building AI-powered products and you're tired of hitting bottlenecks when it comes to vector storage and retrieval, Chroma DB might be the missing piece. Because in the world of AI, speed and precision aren't luxuries, they're survival.